Hey everyone, in this video we're touring an ultra tiny house. The Thistle has a lot of charm with a gable roof and cedar shake siding and a cozy farmhouse style interior design. It has a classic floor plan that manages to fit all the essentials onto a super compact 16-foot trailer. This is a beautiful build by Summit Tiny Homes in Vernon, BC, and we're excited to give you a full tour. Over here there's a nice long sofa bench and it looks really comfy. There's storage down below, which is great. You always need to maximize your storage in a small space like this. And directly facing it is a wall mount electric fireplace that they framed out in wood to match the trim of the windows and the doors. And it's just a really cozy space to curl up. The Thistle has two different floor plans. One of them has a ladder, and this is the one with the staircase. And I love how many different appliances they've managed to tuck away under here. So down here, you've got the water tank. And over here, inset into the staircase, is a small bar fridge and a microwave. On top of that, there's still plenty of storage in here. So there's a drawer here. And then 3 of the stairs actually have storage inside of them. So 1, 2, and 3 down here. So I love that they've managed to fit storage in here. These are great little compartments for storing extra shoes, seasonal gear and things like that. Another benefit of the staircase is obviously that it's easier to get up and down from the loft too. Here we're in the galley kitchen and we're just below the loft here, but there's still plenty of headroom. You've got beautiful exposed beams, and this is about 6'4" or maybe even a little bit higher. On this side you've got your sink with tons of storage below. There's no overhead cabinets. You actually just have a nice window and a couple of shelves for some extra knickknacks. It's nice to have the counter space on either side for washing dishes and preparing food. And then over here is a massive counter space, and this is a game changer. So this is maybe where you would put your cooktop to prepare food, and it's such a deep space that you can actually probably store a lot of food back here, or maybe even do some kind of wall storage back there. And below this counter is another game changer, a combo washer dryer. It's amazing that they were able to fit this in. And there's even a little storage cabinet beside where you could maybe put a drying rack, your laundry soap, and things like that. So we're already at the other end of the tiny house. Like I said, it's not very long. So this is the bathroom. There's a sliding barn door, and there's a massive shower that feels really spacious. It's definitely bigger than the ones we usually see. And there's some built-in shelves for lots of toiletries. And I love this vanity with this large bowl sink. It's beautiful. There's storage below and some extra shelving here. There's a regular flush toilet. So this is actually a surprisingly nice, airy space. There's a window for ventilation as well as an extraction fan above the shower. Up here we're in the loft, and you can see because of the dormers that the ceiling height is actually quite high. So instead of crawling around, you can actually sort of like crouch and get around the bed, which is nice. Definitely lots of space to sit up in bed, and lots of space on either side just to get around. The gable roof with the dormer actually provides a really dynamic looking roof line in here, so it's really interesting to look at. And they've accentuated all the different angles up here by using 2 different stains on the wood. There's also a really sturdy railing up here so you can't fall off, which is always great to see. After watching tiny houses grow bigger and bigger over the years, it's really neat to visit one like this that's much closer to the original size of the tiny houses from a decade ago. It's cozy, minimalist, and it's surprisingly functional, not to mention much more portable. We loved getting to check out this tiny house, and we actually visited another one of their custom builds before. So it was great to finally meet the team and visit the workshop where all the magic happens. You can follow and find out more about Summit Tiny Homes on Instagram and on their website, and we'll put those links down below. Please share this video if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to Exploring Alternatives, and thanks so much for watching.